Right, hey everyone, Varkit here. This is a very makeshift stand. As you can see, I can put my hands in front of everything. Out of the hands of a pogo stick. But today I thought I had bragging rights to show off this. The aluminium pyramid stud thing, Swiss Army knife. So this is from Switzerland itself. It's very rare. It's got a very strong latch thing now. I'm not sure what it's called. The thing where it clicks over. It's a thick blade compared to some of the other Swiss Army knives, as you can see. It's equipped with a blade. Just close this up. A blade, whatever this thing is. I'm not actually sure what this is. It's kind of cool. It's a bit sharp. It's got like a thing to get your finger under. It's very sharp on the tip. I'm gonna put that down. It's got two bottle openers. The kind of circlish one there, as you can see, and it also has that's the exact same one. All right, good going, Varkit. And it also has this one. Hell yeah. Sorry, I'm being a bit quiet. It's kind of 3 a.m. And you can't judge me because no one's going to watch this video in like the next 5 years because this channel is, I'm yet to do anything on this channel. Also, I thought I should also have bragging rights over this. $400. What else do I have? You know what, I should look around my room more. Oh, well, nope, never mind. This is amazing. Yes. I'm pretty sure if I'm check. I've been opening. Sorry, I don't have much lighting. I don't really have any money. I have enough money to buy a sword, which I'm going to buy soon, and that'll be on my channel. Me unboxing a sword. Hoping every time. Yeah. $1 million Monopoly dollars. Yes, this is actual a lot of Monopoly money. I'm gonna have to take it off my stand that I work so hard on. Ooh. If anyone actually watched this, then you're watched to the end, then you're a buffoon. But I also love you. Thank you. Subscribe for this quality content.